back to do another show today. We're going to do a teacher's stamper today.
That's right. We're going to talk about a cool teacher stamp kit. We're going to tell you all about it.
Stay tuned.
Hey, thanks for joining the show today. Let's take a look at ExcelMark. It's a premier self-inking stamp kit. For being a teacher, I know that students love stamps. So we're going to take a look at this one here. Go ahead and open this up.
Because my dad is a teacher.
I am a second grade teacher. And it is fun, fun, fun. What grade are you in?
Kindergarten.
Kindergarten.
First grade.
Yeah, and what kind of cool things do you like about kindergarten?
I get to paint.
He loves painting. So you can see in this kit what we have here. We have a tweezers in case you get a sliver. No, I'm just teasing. You got the stamper kit, and I think these are the type of stamps that you will have here. So let's see how we put this together. What did you put over there?
Oh, we need this.
Oh, it comes with two. All right. So we're going to go ahead and open this up. Which one are you? I'm going to do the happy face.
I'm going to do the star.
All right. So what you do is pull this down, insert that.
Oops.
I think I got it. So I got my happy face here. All right, now you let go. And I think all I'm going to have to do is just try this now. Hey, it worked. I got the color blue. You need some help with this one? All right, what you want to do again, you're just going to push this down right like this. All right. You insert your stamper that you want. And that's what the tweezers is, I guess, for, is you can take that in and out. And voila, it should work. Let's put this to the side and do a stamp. Nice, he's got the color red.
I want it red.
He wanted red. That is his favorite color, red. Look at this. Nice.
Did it stand?
Did it come, what happened? Did it fall apart? No, it's still in there. Watch this.
What a cool stapler.
This is super cool.
I'm gonna keep this one.
The other ones that they have is a thumbs up, an A+. This is a great job. Needs more work. That's in case you didn't finish your paper. Got a sad face. Maybe you didn't put your name on there. Way to go, and good work. Hey, thanks for watching the show today. Make sure you check out the other videos on here. I have some great educational videos, toys, all kinds of stuff. Make sure you subscribe, send us a comment, and like always, have a fun day. Adios, bye-bye.